Do you also stuck while speaking English? So don't worry at all, because in this video I will teach you 50 most common verbs. With the help of that you can speak English better than before. So let's get started. Stand. Stand means खड़ा होना. Stand, stood, stood, standing, stands. Sleep, सोना. Slept, slept, sleeping, sleeps. Wake, jagna. Wake, woke, woken, waking, wakes. Drive, chalana. Drive, drove, driven, driving, drives. Ride, सवारी करना. Ride, rode, ridden, riding, rides. Fly, fly means उड़ना. Fly, flew, flown, flying, flies. Swim, तैरना. Swim, swam, swam, swimming, swims. Cook, खाना बनाना. Cook, cooked, cooked, cooking, cooks. Clean, साफ करना. Clean, cleaned, cleaned, cleaning, cleans. Wash, wash means धोना. Wash, washed, washed, washing, washes. Next है catch. Catch means पकड़ना. Catch, caught, caught, catching, catches. Throw, फेंकना. Throw, threw, thrown, throwing, throws. Hold, पकड़ना. Hold, held, held, holding, holds. Push, push means धक्का देना. Push, pushed, pushed, pushing, pushes. Pull, खींचना. Pull, pulled, pulled, pulling, pulls. Cut, cut का मतलब होता है काटना. Cut, 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 cutting, cuts. Break, तोड़ना. Break, broke, broken, breaking, breaks. Build, बनाना. Build, built, built, building, builds. Grow, उगना या बढ़ना. Grow, grew, grown, growing, grows. Plant, लगाना, पौधा लगाना. Plant, planted, planted, planting, plants. Next है think, सोचना. Think, thought, thought, thinking, thinks. Know, जानना. Know, knew, known, knowing, knows. Understand, समझना. Understand, understood, understood, understanding, understands. Remember, याद रखना. Remembered, 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 remembering, remembers. Forget, भूलना. Forget, forgot, forgotten, forgetting, forgets. Live, live का मतलब होता है रहना. Live, lived, lived, living, lives. Travel, यात्रा करना. Travel, traveled, traveled, traveling, travels. Visit, मुलाकात करना. Visit, visited, visited, visiting, visits. Join, शामिल होना. Join, joined, joined, joining, joins. Leave, छोड़ना. Leave, left, left, leaving, leaves. Next है show. Show का मतलब होता है दिखाना. Show, showed, shown, showing, shows. Change, change का मतलब होता है बदलना. Change, changed, changed, changing, changes. मूव, मूव का मतलब होता है हिलाना या चलना. मूव, मूड, मूड, मूविंग, मूव्स. स्टॉप, रुकना. स्टॉप, स्टॉप्ड, स्टॉप्ड, स्टॉपिंग, स्टॉप्स. वेट, इंतजार करना. वेट, वेटेड, वेटेड, वेटिंग, वेट्स. मीट, मीट का मतलब होता है मिलना. मीट, मेट, मेट, मीटिंग, मीट्स. कॉल, बुलाना या फोन करना. कॉल, कॉल्ड, कॉल्ड, कॉलिंग, कॉल्स. हेल्प, मदद करना. हेल्प, हेल्प्ड, हेल्प्ड, हेल्पिंग, हेल्प्स. आस्क, पूछना. आस्क, आस्क्ड, आस्क्ड, आस्किंग, आस्क. आंसर, आंसर का मतलब होता है उत्तर देना. आंसर, answered, answer, answering, answers. Whoever watched this video till the end, comment me I have. Then I will give feedback and also help you. You can ask me literally anything. Whatever I could, I'll definitely do. Okay, so